Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about when you follow up with journalists. The time of day is really, really important. You never want to follow up with a television producer when their segment's on the air. They're very busy at that time. Morning drive radio is, they're getting there at 4 in the morning. You want to reach them? Call them at 3:30 in the morning or wait until the show is over. I've talked before about magazines with their long lead times, 4 to 6 months out. Make sure you're connecting that far in advance. And again, for people who are on live television, live radio, be really aware of when they're really busy and be respectful of their time. So call them before or after. So that is this week's PR tip. If you'd like to learn more, please join us in the PR Challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days worth of great content, 10 minutes a day. I don't ask for a lot. That's all you need to do. And if you implement, I promise you'll have massive success getting visibility. So I'll see you there.